Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and this is part 2 of my Mega Drop Shop haul from Boxycharm from February. So now Boxycharm is with Ipsy, and they said we were still going to do the drop shops, but I haven't seen that in March. So the Mega Drop Shop, I'm not sure if that will be around in the future. Hopefully. I'm going to open this box now. I have done part 1. I've had a good bit of a haul going on there. So if you want to see that, I'll put it in the description for you to find it. I did want to tell y'all, I swatched this from the first part 1. This is the Hank and Henry. It's called I love the name. It's Blickety Black long wear liquid eyeliner. And it says that it goes on wet and then it dries, and it does dry quickly. And it was wonderful. I had to scrub it off. It's really waterproof. Wonderful product. Really like it. And then also in that box, we were supposed to get, it didn't say I would get 2 boxes. It said that I get $40. I mean, it was $40. I'd get 10 full-size items. So, you know, a lot of times that does mean you're going to get 2 different boxes. So in the first box that I opened, there were 6 products. There was this item also. Whoops, I caught all the light there. It's like a mirror on top. And this is a setting powder. If I keep flashing you there, it's a setting powder. Beautiful packaging, setting powder. And this is valued at $39. So that was not on the card. So I did want to tell you about that. And then I've got this box, which is quite a bit bigger. The other box, I have it right here, it was very small. But you can go see part 1 to see that, okay? So this one, let's see what's in here. It does have a seal, and I did open that. And when you open it, it is a base box because it's pink inside. The other box was not pink inside, but it was still a base box. So this is from, it's Bubbles and Glitz. So this looks like it was maybe a January box at one point. You know, New Year's is what this is looking like. I'm looking at what's in here. This says 100 and a heart. So is it version 100? I don't know. But let's see what's in here. We start off with something small. This is a lip oil. I don't see it. Well, they have a sticker over the name of it. That looks like a really nice lip oil, though. It's got an applicator here, which is nice. Let me find it on the card and see what brand it is. It's INT Cosmetics Lip Oil, valued at $11. Perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go or on top of lipstick for an added sheen. Very nice. I have so many things like this. I'm not going to open it right now, y'all. And then we have Milk Makeup. I like Milk Makeup, y'all, but I have had this mascara. It's not my favorite. It's a good mascara. This is the Kush. A lot of people love it. It's Kush waterproof mascara, valued at $24. It is an interesting packaging, really cool, and itself, it is it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. Let me see if I can open it just to show you the tube. It's very nice. It's fine. It's a fine mascara, but it was, you know, not my favorite. Let's just put it that way. I am a mascara fiend. I love mascaras, so it just wasn't my favorite, but it's fine. It's a beautiful packaging. It's heavy. Look how pretty it is. That beautiful blue. I love it. Beautiful packaging. $24 value. And I know some people I know rave about this mascara. So it's just my cup of, you know, it's just not my cup of tea necessarily. And next we have this, whatever this is. This is Bodyography, Eye Pencil Duo, valued at $16. Let's see, Professional Cosmetics, it says. And yes, there are 2 in there. Ooh, there's a cap that's still in there. Okay, these are pencils. One is black and one is brown. And there are caps, but one is still in the box. So, but you can see that they're black and brown. Pencils that you sharpen, not my favorite. but you know, and I've not heard of this brand, Bodyography, but that's okay. It's okay. And there's a lot of padding. Now, this box has a bonus in it also. So I don't know if Boxy knew that, because they said 10 full-size items. They didn't say 12. This is Volition, which is a very nice brand. I'm using a Volition product right now in the bath. It is a exfoliator. I use it about once a week. It's very, very nice. Some exfoliators I don't care for, but this exfoliator, I like this brand. This is the Snow Mushroom Water Serum, valued at $62. Ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. So very nice packaging. I need my tweezer to help me get this open. It's got a tab in there to pull on. It's in here very nice packaging. This is beautiful, very beautiful. It's a frosted glass bottle. You can see the serum in there. There's a good bit in there. Very nice. I do like mushrooms. Mushrooms have a lot of healing properties, y'all. This is one of those, it'll be a, what do you call it? A dropper thing. You push on this and it'll fill into the dropper, and then you can put it on your skin. Very, very nice. $62, y'all. And then this is part of the box. And then there's a bonus in here. This is Murad, of course. This is valued at $40. This is an AHA and a BHA exfoliating cleanser. Just what I love. And I am almost done with my Volition, so I will probably use this next, although I may have others. But this is a huge tube. It's 6.75 fluid ounces, and Murad is excellent. I'm surprised this is only $40. But wonderful. This is fantastic. Y'all, I paid $40 for the tube, $20. Basically, I paid $20 for this box. And then there is all this packaging. That's why I was like, what's all this packaging about? There is a bonus in the bottom. It doesn't say anything about it on the card. I do have this palette. I use this palette. I like this palette. And I recently, I think, got it in one of these bundles already. So this will go in a future giveaway. This is the Breakfast in Bed palette. It is Beauty Bakery's. Very, very cute. Super cute packaging. And I like this palette a lot. It is my my introduction to Beauty Bakery eyeshadows. I've had it for a little while. And the colors are right up my alley. This has a little gouge in the Lazy Baby, but I didn't put it there. It just is that way. So these are beautiful, beautiful colors. See that little something going on there? It did have the color saver on it, so it's just a manufacturing issue. But beautiful colors. Oh, this doesn't have a mirror. I can show it to you right side up. So I love it. It has some shimmers. It has some mattes. It's very, very pretty. I do use it, and I do enjoy it. So that was a nice bonus, y'all. So this whole thing that I paid $62.99 for is valued at $763 plus whatever the price of this is. And I don't know off the top of my head. It could be 20, it could be 40. I don't know. I'll look it up. But anyway, y'all, thanks. And I'll put it in the description, the value of all of this. But wow. Wow. I don't know if we're going to see sales like this in the new Ipsy Boxy. We shall see. I'm hoping, because this was a lot of fun. And, you know, I'm sure they were trying to get rid of all their Boxy type packaging and boxes that they have left over. So maybe they'll have a big, huge sale again and have these boxes reduced. They've had quite a few really good sales on the boxes over the last few months. So maybe they're about out of them. I really don't know. But this was a great deal. And I'm going to miss the Boxy Drop shop, and hoping that Ipsy will step up and have these fabulous kinds of sales as well. Thanks y'all for stopping by. And like I said, if you haven't seen part 2, go look for it. I'll put it in the description here. And thank you all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.